Hello everyone, this is Mr. Felt. Before we start this problem, I just want to remind you about working with powers with exponents. One of the rules you may remember is that when we have something like x to the fifth power raised to the third power, that what happens is those exponents actually get multiplied together. So it becomes x to the 5 times 3 power, which of course is x to the 15th power. So we're going to use that to help us solve this crazy looking equation up here. So we have this equation, and we have the part that I'm worried about is we have this thing raised to the 2/3 power. What on earth are we going to do with that? Well, the first thing we're going to do, just like with the radical equations we did before, is we're going to isolate this part. We're going to get that by itself. And so I'm going to subtract the 1 from both sides so that we're left with 4x plus 7 to the 2/3 is equal to none. Now, here's the magic sauce. What I'm going to do is I'm going to raise this entire thing to the reciprocal power. I'm actually going to write that down because that's a big deal. The reciprocal power. What I'm going to do, I'm going to raise both sides of the equation to the 3/2 power. Because watch what's going to happen. When I raise this whole thing to the 3/2 power, we're raising the power to the power. We multiply the exponents. Well, what happens when you multiply 2/3 by 3/2? You get 1. And so what happens is the exponents here cancel out. And so we end up with 4x plus 7 to the first power, which of course is just 4x plus 7. So we eliminated that rational exponent. Now over here on the right, we need to evaluate 9 to the 3/2 power. So we can rewrite that. Remember, power over root. So it's the square root of 9, because the root is 2, to the third power, because the power is 3. So I can simplify this. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 to the third power is 27. And we went from this crazy looking equation to something that's actually pretty straightforward to solve. Subtract the 7, divide, and there we are. And just to check to see that that actually makes sense, we can go back to the original problem and plug in the 5 and see that it does in fact work. And so I plugged that 5 into the original problem. Order of operations, 4 times 5 is 20, plus the 7 is 27. To the 2/3 power plus 1 equals 10. Let's see if that's true. Well, 27 to the 2/3, that's 27. The root is 3, because that's the denominator. The power is 2, because that's the numerator. Cube root of 27 is 3. 3 squared is 9. 9 plus 1 is in fact 10. So it does in fact work. That's all for now. Thanks.